So yeah guys, last time I made a video like this about parts, my sub got totaled. So you guys can see on my channel I made a video, so it's a very sad story. But anyway, little recap. Last time I did a video like this of me showing you guys all the parts that I got, it was parts for my sub, and a couple weeks later I got into an accident. Not my fault, but you guys can see how the kind of gave me flashbacks, and I made a video of how the car ended up looking like after the accident. But now I'm driving my older Subaru, which I purchased back again from my brother, and it has a little over 200,000 miles, but still runs great. I'll be making another video of all the stuff that I've done to the car. You guys can check out my channel. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm not planning to be a big YouTuber, but I like to make videos of before and after and how I fix things. So first one is timing belt kit. I got this timing belt kit from 6city.com, and the person that I spoke to was a female, and I wish I could remember her name because she was very helpful. And this place has 2 locations, and came super fast. And let me go back a little bit. I'm not I'm not getting sponsored by any of these parts. I'm just showing you what I purchased and what my car needs and what my plans are. So I bought all this with my own money, and no one says sponsoring me. I'm not a big YouTuber, and I don't plan to be a big YouTuber again. So again, 6city.com. I'm sorry, 6cityauto.com. And this thing has everything from the timing belt all the way to the water pump and other stuff that came with it. They were very helpful. This kit the brand is Gates. And again, I did research, and very good brand. Now this little thing over here I got from eBay. This is a part from the STI. I checked a lot of places on eBay, and apparently the 2.5 liter engine is, again, not the same, but it is the same when it comes to some parts. So all the seals and everything, they're the same, and I was gonna get the whole kit from this place. It said that it fit from 91 all the way to 2009, and so I took my chances and I got this one. But when I went to check into another place, it said that it did not fit. It was a couple millimeters bigger, so I didn't want to take a chance. So I got this one. This is the only one that actually the other place said that it was the same number. So this is one oil seal, and I think I need 4. So I got this one on eBay. It's an original Subaru part, and I have more coming in. And the other 4 seals I got from SubaruPartsDeal.com, and their locations in Florida, so I'm still waiting for those. But those ones are the direct fit according to their website, and when you type in the number and everything, and they ask you for the VIN number, it comes up, and I decided to take the kit. So again, this one is a must, because everyone knows that timing belts go out after, I don't know, 60,000 miles all the way to 90,000 miles, and it depends on the way you drive, I guess. I know people that they haven't even done the timing belt, but it's a ticking time bomb. The other thing, I got this on eBay with another speedometer. The speedo on the Subaru went bad, and it clocked in a little over, I think, almost 200,000 miles, but it wouldn't tell you how fast you were going. So I was going on eBay, and I saw a speedometer, which I made a video not how to install it, because it's just pretty much just me putting it in, and I was very happy afterwards. And the speedometer on this one happens to be from a car that only has 62,000 miles, and I jumped on the opportunity to get that because I want to be able to go inside the car, and the car telling me that it has 62,000 miles, which it doesn't have 62,000 miles, but kind of makes me feel happy just looking at that number. And I contacted the guy because I think my temperature control unit, this thing, went bad too. So now it only blows air on the top. So I can press any other button over here and they don't work. And on top of that, the lights don't work either. So the same person that sold me the speedometer, I asked him if he still had the car or the same parts of the car because I needed the unit, and he said yes. So this thing only has 62,000 miles on it, just like the speedometer. Now these little things are the injectors. I got myself 4 of them, and I got them through rockauto.com. And the only reason why I got him is because I'm having a check engine light. I can't remember what the code is, but I will be making, I want to make another video of all the stuff that I've done to the car in order for me to get rid of the check engine light, because I still need to pass inspection and I can't. So I got 4 injectors, rockauto.com, and they came out pretty fast too. Now, again, the car has over 200,000 miles, and a lot of things tend to break already. So let's move this bar over here, and all these little parts over here I got from one person. I got him from Dale, and yes, I gotta read my notes. Dale is the manager and co-founder, if I'm right. Their website is boxer4racing.com. Again, Dell is not sponsoring this, nothing like that. But let me tell you though that Dell took the time to answer every question, and he was very helpful. Now I'm coming from a Saab, even though it is GM. It's technically considered a European car, and coming from a European car to a JDM or Subaru, which is from Japan. I don't know too much about it anymore because, again, my brother had it for quite a while, and now I'm driving it. And so I tried to do research, and if you go to the Subaru forums, everyone's different. One tells you one thing, the other one tells you another thing. So Dale made me feel a little bit more comfortable because he told me that back in the days he used to race a car like mine, and so he knows what he's talking about, and I'm trusting Dale, and I managed to purchase a lot of items from Dale, and let me tell you though, he saved me a lot of money. He went out of his way to find the best parts and everything, and he just gave me advice. So Dale, from his place, I got some motor mounts, and they're the STI motor mounts. So I got 3 of them. I think 2 at the bottom and 1 on top, or the other way around. So I think they call it wishbone or something like that, but they, I know on the other cars call them wishbones. I got this motor mount, and then I got the right and the left motor mounts. So they're supposed to be from the STI, and apparently they do fit. Subaru, and maybe we can see that. Sorry guys, my phone is not working today. Milo, give me a hand. You fell asleep? Yes, he did. So I got this one, and then I got this other one over here too, and I guess these are from the STI. Now I don't know if these are the original STI ones or they actually remake them and put better I don't know, I guess you can sell bushings or plastic or inserts, I don't know, but I got 2 of them, and they both said the same. They both are exactly the same number, same everything. The only difference is this one says right and this one says left. So I want to get that taken care of. that I want to be able to push some of the power, because this car has no power whatsoever compared to my Saab. I want to be able to push some of the power down to the floor, and I want to utilize the all-wheel drive. So I want that. Now my car does have a cheap eBay short shifter that I installed like 10 years ago, and our Subaru has been in the family for a little more than 10 years. So obviously, first things that people do will be intake and short shifter. So I think the shifter was called, it starts with an R, like Racer or something like that. It was a while ago. So I wanted to upgrade something better, and I got a Cardboy short throw shifter. Okay, so I got this, and with this I got the shift knob. So I got this, and now that I'm looking at this, I think I'm missing some of the bushings. So I will give Dale a call back, but you know, it could be on the way here, or maybe I just misplaced them. I don't know. I'll check for them. But again, so I got those two things, and the other thing too, that my mechanic said that I need a front sway bar because the bushings are shot. And again, I don't know anything too well. I don't know too much about Subarus, but people that go to the forum, they say that you can grab this from a WRX, from an STI, you can swap them, this and that, but they don't tell you sometimes that you have to do a little fabrication or trim a little here or add this or add that. I'm one of those people that have no patience sometimes, so I want the car done right the first time. So here are the sway bars. I know I did a lot of research, and like I was telling you guys, that in the forums everyone tells you the sizes, and I think on I mean, I don't even know what I have anymore on my car. I think I have like 19 in the front and 16 on the back sway bars, or the other way around. I have no clue what I have now because I read so much stuff. So again, I'm trusting Dale, and pretty much what I got was a sway bar, 22 millimeter heavy duty 3-point adjustable, and I got a sway bar, 20 millimeter heavy duty non-adjustable. Now I think that 22 millimeter is for the rear, and the front is the 20 millimeter, if I'm right. Again, I spent so much time on the computer, and I went to so many websites and forums and this and that, and I get one thing here, one thing there, and again, I just let Dale decide what stuff is best for me. And I was very clear to Dale that I wasn't planning to take the car to the track, or nor I race on the street. I just want something comfortable, and I'll be making again a video of stuff that I've done to the car already. So that's that, guys. I know it's the video is longer than I wanted to make it, but I'll see if I can edit it or just upload it the way it is. Alright guys, I'll see when I can install these parts, and I got a call for a couple things. Bushings for the shifter, and I gotta wait for the seals. Alright guys, take care.